How to delete your Facebook Messenger account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your Messenger account. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on it, and now click on your profile. Scroll down until you find account setting. Click on it and scroll down again and click on your information. Click on the first option, which is account ownership and control. Click on it, and you have the second option, which is deactivation and deletion. Learn more about deactivating or permanently deleting your Messenger and Facebook. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.